Presidente kung ang ating pong edad ay tama para sa ating pong kapasidad maging mayor ng ating lungsod. Alam niyo, marami na po tayo mga opisyalis na iba-ibang lungsod na mas bata pa sa akin naging mayor. Diyan ang Makati, Muntinlupa, Taguig. And it just goes to show that nowadays, bagong henerasyon na po ang ating pong mga leaders. We have leaders that come from the next generation, that age is not a qualification for public service. Going back to who I am a graduate of De La Salle University. Baka sakali kasi may matanggap kayo sa inyong mail na nakalagay dun sa aking pong educational attainment na no record. Ako po ay isang graduate ng De La Salle University at you may check De La Salle for confirmation. Ano ba ang gagawin natin sa lungsod ng Parañaque? We will focus on health, we will focus on education, we will focus on job generation, peace and order. As a residential city, napaka-importante sa ating syudad. Natahimik ang ating syudad. Socialized services, giving service to the people who need service. Of course, at the same time, we will continue to give service to the homeowners by giving them brighter streets, giving them good roads to play in, giving them good business. Ang ating senior citizens, we will also focus on senior citizens para sa ganun, may balik natin ang ating serbisyo sa ating mga lola at lolo. All this we will improve. Whatever project na nagawa ng ating pong butihing mayor, ipagpapatuloy natin. At kung ano po yung mga proyekto hindi nagawa, we will try to make this city more aggressive, dynamic, and modern city sa panahon po ni Benjo Bernabe. Maraming salamat po.